I am going to use the word sing. So instead of get, we will use sing.
GKS College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Khadauli. From 12th standard to 70 number from in available. 11th Arts, 11th Commerce, 11th Science, BA Bachelor of Arts, BCom Account of Finance, BMC Bachelor of Management Studies, BSc Bachelor of Computer Science. Address: opposite Military School, Khadauli East, Kalyan. Contact number 025 12 37 0975 9029 37 0975 9967 11 2738. GKS कला वाणिज्य आणि विज्ञान महाविद्यालय खडवली. मान्यता महाराष्ट्र राज्य मुंबई विद्यापीठ. प्रवेश सुरू. 11वी कला, 11वी वाणिज्य, 11वी विज्ञान, BA बॅचलर ऑफ आर्ट्स, BCom अकाउंट ऑफ फायनान्स, BMS बॅचलर ऑफ मॅनेजमेंट स्टडीज, BSc बॅचलर ऑफ कॉम्प्युटर सायन्स. 12वी करिता 17 नंबर फॉर्मची सुविधा उपलब्ध आहे. पत्ता: सैनिकी शाळेजवळ, खडवली पूर्व, तालुका कल्याण, जिल्हा ठाणे. कॉन्टॅक्ट नंबर 025 123 70975 90293 70975 9967 112738.
Okay, say after. The more we sing together,
the more we sing together,
together, together,
together, together,
the more we sing together,
the more we sing together,
the happier we'll be.
the happier we'll be.
For your friends are my friends,
For your friends are my friends,
and my friends are your friends.
and my friends are your friends.
The more we get together,
The more we get together,
so we use get. No, the more we sing together,
the more we sing together,
the happier we'll be.
the happier we'll be.
So we can use sing, dance, play, sway instead of get. So try these things by your own and do practice of singing this poem. So do you understand
Yes.
these two songs?
Yes.
Shall we move ahead?
Yes.
आपण पुढे जायचं काय समजलं ना तुम्हाला?
Yes.
Okay. Now in your book on page number 1 there are two songs, and with the two songs we have some dialogues, some greetings.
Yes.
Okay, some greetings we have to the right side of the page. पेजच्या उजव्या बाजूला आहे काही डायलॉग्स आहेत, काही कन्व्हर्सेशन आहेत. वी नीड टू प्रॅक्टिस इट. हे ग्रीटिंग्स आहेत, बरोबर. द फर्स्ट conversation, first dialogue is there are two boys. किती मुलं आहेत ते? दोन मुलं आहेत. The first one, आपण जेव्हा दोन मुलं भेटतो तेव्हा आपण काय म्हणतो? Hi. And we also reply hi. So this is the conversation. This is a greeting conversation. म्हणजे हे अभिवादनाचं conversation आहे. In the second picture or in the second conversation, दुसऱ्या conversation मध्ये there are three girls. How many girls are there? Three. And they are conversing with each other. ते एकमेकांशी बोलत आहेत. Yes, I think this girl is saying, ही मुलगी काय म्हणते बघा. Hello Minu. She is saying to this girl, Hello Minu, I am Riyan. I am Riyan. And this is my friend Sonali. So she is introducing herself. ती स्वतःला ओळख करून देते, स्वतःचं नाव सांगते, and also introducing her friend. तिच्या मैत्रिणीचं सुद्धा नाव सांगते. So hello Minu, I am Riya and this is my friend Sonali. So this Meenu is also replying with hello. Then there is a boy and a girl in the third picture. They are greeting to each other. They एकमेकांना काय करतात? Greet करतायत. Hello. The second one also replies with hello. And then in the last conversation, we have two boys. The first one is asking, how are you? And the second one is replying, I am fine. मी कसा आहे? Fine. Thank you. आणि हा तू विचारल्याबद्दल मी तुझा आभारी आहे. So do you want to practice it more? तुम्हाला याची आणखी प्रॅक्टिस करायची आहे का? Yes. Okay, we will practice it. I have some conversation on my sheets. So both of you come forward. Keep your books there. Keep your books there. Okay, come forward. This is the first conversation in the book we have. Yes. What do you have on your sheet?
Hi.
What do you have?
Hi.
Show that. Okay. Hi. Okay. Say now. Say hi to her.
Hi.
Hi.
Very good. Now give me the sheet and without this say hi to each other.
Hi.
Hi.
One by one. Say.
Hi.
Hi.
Very good. Now this is the conversation we have. Okay. The second conversation. Conversation, the second dialogue. Okay. What do you have on your paper?
Hello Meenu, I am Riya and this is my friend Sonali.
And what do you have?
Hello.
Hello. Okay. Say to her now.
Hello Meenu, I am Riya and this is my friend Sonali.
Okay.
Hello.
To whom? Yes, to both. Hello.
Hello.
Okay. Can you just give this one to her and this one to you and just say. Okay. Exchange it and say.
Hello Meenu, I am Riya and this is my friend Sonali.
Hello.
Okay. And now without the paper. Now say.
Hello Meenu, I am Riya and this is my friend Sonali.
Hello.
You also now you will be Sonali. You will be Riya, no?
Hello Meenu, I am Riya and this is my friend Sonali.
Hello.
Okay, very nice, very good, very good, very good. Now this is the third conversation. We have one boy and one girl in the picture. What is that?
Hello.
And what is it?
Hello.
Okay, without cheat, can you say?
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, very nice. And the last conversation we have a question. Yes, what do you have?
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Okay, now I'm taking it from you. Now without help.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Thank you. Just say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, now you ask question to her.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
So please take your seat. So students, remember you can practice this kind of conversation, this kind of dialogue with your family members, with your siblings. Siblings means with your elder brothers or younger brothers. You can assign them roles. त्यांना तुम्ही roles देऊ शकता आणि त्यांच्याकडून हे आपण प्रॅक्टिस घेऊ शकतो. ओके. फॉर दिस सॉंग्स, या सॉंग्स साठी आपल्याकडे freekidmusic.com या वेबसाईट वरती आपल्याला चाली वेगवेगळ्या मिळू शकतात. आपण त्या ठिकाणी जायचं आहे. ओके. सो नाउ दिस इज फ्रॉम पेज 1. हे सर्व काही आहे पेज 1 पासून. आता आपण पेज 2 कडे वळणार आहोत. वी विल मूव ऑन पेज 2. ओके, so let me erase all this. Let me rough it. Okay students, so on page number 2 there is an activity. There is a picture. Is there a picture?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So in that picture there are so many things, and the activity name is A to Z. What do you mean by A to Z? A to Z are
Alphabets.
अल्फाबेट्स आहेत, मुळाक्षर आहेत A to Z, बरोबर की नाही? Just say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are the alphabets. Now what about these alphabets? Just see. What are the instructions? सूचना काय दिल्या आहेत ते आपण नीट वाचूया. Observe the picture carefully. Observe म्हणजे निरीक्षण करा. The picture चित्राचं carefully काळजीपूर्वक. To find as many words as you can. To find कशासाठी निरीक्षण करायचे? Find out करण्यासाठी. Words find out करण्यासाठी. You can as each of the letters from A to Z. तर A to Z च्या लेटर्स साठी आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? Words find out करायचे. The words that starts with A, the words that starts with B. म्हणजे A पासून सुरू होणारे शब्द शोधायचे, B पासून सुरू होणारे शब्द शोधायचे. So I will give 2 minutes. मी तुम्हाला 2 मिनिटाचा वेळ देतोय. चित्राचं नीट निरीक्षण करायचं आहे. Observe the picture carefully, okay, and tell me the words. आणि मला ह्यातले शब्द सांगायचे आहेत. Words in English, not in Marathi. मराठी मध्ये नाही, इंग्लिश मध्ये. That starts from A to Z. Okay. So first of all, observe it carefully. Yes, I am giving it to you. Observe the pictures carefully and tell me the words. Okay. So I'm writing the alphabets. S T U V W X, Y and Z. Okay, so we are ready to write. Okay, I hope you all have completed the observation. तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी observation पूर्ण केलेलं असेल. Okay, now tell me the words. Any word. Tell me any word.
Apple.
Apple. Where is the apple?
Boy.
On the t-shirt of the boy. So apple starts from
A.
Yeah, it starts with A. So apple. Okay, any other word? Yes? Car. Car is there or car or van?
Van.
It is van, no? Oh, okay, so van, where should I write van?
On V.
In V. Okay, so van, V.
Bus stop.
Bus stop. So bus stop starts with
B.
the first letter of bus stop, B. So bus stop. Okay. So bus stop.
Elephant.
Okay. Then there is
Elephant.
elephant starts with
E.
E. Elephant. Okay. Then
Sun.
Cow.
Cow. Cow starts with
C.
C. C O W. Next.
Sun.